check, check, 2, 1, 1, 1. There is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun. Has been the ruin of many a poor boy, and God, I know I'm one. My mother was a tailor. She sewed my new blue jeans. Was a gambling man way down in New Orleans. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's on the trump. Fill up your glasses, or right up to the brim. Let the drink flow merrily round and round till your feet don't touch the ground. Now fellas, don't believe what a bad woman tells you. The rides be blue or brown, unless you're standing on some scaffold high. Them folks won't let you come down. Tell my brothers and my sisters not to do the awful things I've done. Shy away from that old house down New Orleans they call the rising sun. To New Orleans, confess all the crimes I've done. Tie me to a heavy ball and chain till my earthly race has run. Got one foot on the platform, the other foot on the train. I'm going back down to New Orleans to wear that ball and chain. Well, there is a house in New Orleans they call the rising sun. Oh, many a poor boy, thank God I know I'm one. Thank God I know I'm one. Thank God I know